In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on MT4 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up the order window. To do this, there's two ways. The first one is if you go to the bottom left inside quotes, and then here you can tap on any of the assets you want to trade. So I'm going to just tap on, for example, Euro USD on here, and I'm going to tap on new order, and this is basically where you can create your new order. That's the first way. The second one is when you are on the chart, which is the second tab at the bottom. You can see on any chart that you are at the very top right, there's like a plus button. So if you tap on that plus button, there we go, it's going to open up that same window. And to actually buy or sell over here, you first have to select up top the order type you want to do. So you have instant execution, and if you tap on that, you have the buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, and then sell stop as well. And then here you can just of course select the quantity over here, which is the second thing. You can then set a stop loss, which is on the left here, like red-ish, and then on the right side, which looks like greenish, this is the take profit. And then when you're done with that, you can set the deviation as well. And then down at the bottom, you have the buy and sell buttons, and you can just go ahead and of course buy or sell whichever one you want to do, and your order is going to be placed. If you see this, which says requoted, basically it's asking you if you accept the new quotes. You can just accept them. Sometimes it will basically take a few accepts to be able to do that because the price changes, but that's basically how to do it. So that's a buy and sell. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.